Welcome to Study Loop.
Hello students, it is given that Pt is equal to 1 watt. The frequency is given as 10 gigahertz, which is 10 to the power 10 hertz. The power gain Gt is equal to 40 decibel, which is equal to Gr, which is equivalent to 10,000 in terms of gain factor, and R is given as 30 kilometer, which is equal to 30 into 10 to the power 3 meters. So the received power is equal to Pt into Gt divided by 4 pi r square into the extended area A, and the extended area is given by Gr into lambda naught divided by 4 pi, which is equal to Pt into Gt into Gr divided by 4 pi r square. Now it will become 4 pi r whole thing square into lambda naught is nothing but T divided by F. We have all the values required, so let us put the values one by one. Pt is 1 into Gt is equal to Gr, so this will become 10,000 square divided by 4 pi, R is 3 into 10 to the power 4 whole thing square into c is the speed of light, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 divided by the frequency, that is 10 to the power 10. Thus, on solving this, we get that the required power is equal to 2.65 into 10 to the power minus 4 watt. Thank you.